Welcome everyone to week 1 of our course. The topics this week are designed to be fairly simple and straightforward, really just a time to get to know one another and explore the course in detail so that you're prepared to jump in next week. You can see the different topics here. There's a course introduction that gives you just an overview of what we'll cover. There's a discussion board. That's one of the major assignments this week. You'll just post a little bit about yourself so we can get to know one another. You'll have your responses to this discussion board, meaning you'll need to respond to 2 or 3 classmates. There's a video down here that I'll cover just in brief, and then there's a quiz that will walk you through the syllabus and project descriptions, and a scavenger hunt which will just take you through the course in greater detail. There's a reminder up here. It says to gain access to week 1, complete the course disclaimers and warnings above. That's this. This will give you some information about the course, some of the expenses you'll incur in Google Ads, how to use those. So very important information there, which is why you have to go through that module in order to gain access to these. But let's start with the discussion board. The icebreaker discussion board is just a chance to get to know one another. As I mentioned, introduce yourself in a few short paragraphs. You can consider posting a photo of yourself, talking about things that interest you outside of the course topic. That's due by midweek, so by Wednesday you want to complete that, and then by the end of the week, respond to a few of your classmates, share some things you have in common and things you find interesting. There's a great point there at the very bottom. Remember, a major theme of Doctrine and Covenants is building Zion and unity. This is a great time to build that unity. This discussion board will be distinct from our other discussion boards in the course, where everyone will be together for this discussion board. In our other discussion boards, we will be broken out into individual groups of 10 to 15 students or so. But this will be everyone together, which is fun. It's fun to get to know everyone. It also makes for a very long discussion board, but rest assured that will not be the case for all of our discussion boards. All discussion boards will be broken out into these 2 sections. They take you to the same discussion board. It's done to emphasize the due dates of these 2 discussion boards. One is due at midweek and the other is due at the end of the week, but these links will take you to the same discussion board. But that's why they're broken out like that. It's like that with every discussion board. It's just to make sure we delineate between due dates. This video is called Ready, Fire, Aim, and I think it's fantastic because it describes the unique nature of this course, where we are going to move at a pace much faster than a traditional brick and mortar store. And that is because to get online, you need that experience and that feedback you get of getting your site online. And so it feels like Ready, Fire, Aim instead of Ready, Aim, Fire. This video will walk you through, obviously in much more detail than that, as to why that is, but I think it prepares you very well for what to expect in the course. It's okay to move at a faster pace online, because as you move faster, your site will be online and your first few visitors will give you a lot of feedback to that site and things you might need to change. As I mentioned, there's a quiz on the syllabus, and another video I walk you through the syllabus, and this will go through just in detail to make sure you've understood the key points, as well as the project descriptions. As I mentioned in the syllabus video, the assignments we do throughout the course are case studies, but the projects are built around your business. That's how you launch your business. And then, as I mentioned, this activity, the scavenger hunt activity, will just take you through how to find things and how to navigate the course. There are a couple differences between the scavenger hunt and the quiz. Neither has any time limit, but you'll notice here the scavenger hunt does not allow multiple attempts, whereas the syllabus quiz does allow for multiple attempts. and also does not have a time limit. So the important thing on the syllabus quiz is that you get it right. If you want to take it more than once, you really just need to know the right answers. The scavenger hunt activity, you can take as much time as you need, but you've got one shot to do it. So that'll be it for week 1. Please reach out to me if there's something here you'd like me to go in more detail on. It's designed to be straightforward and a simple introduction to the course. Next week we'll get into a much more demanding 2 topics, 2 discussion boards, and kind of our traditional rhythm of the course that I described in the syllabus. Thanks, everyone.